Caramelize the sugar, and when it starts changing the color, slowly add half of the warm water to make a syrup. Add the grated coconut, the remaining water, and cook for about 1 minute. Add salt. Turn off the stove and let it completely cool. Add 1 egg to the caramelized coconut mixture. Whisk it well until creamy. Add vanilla, baking powder, and baking soda. Combine all together and finally add the cake flour. Bake it for about 30 to 35 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius.